Okay, so you've made your predictions on what's going to happen if we shine one photon of blue light and one photon of red light at the metal foil. So we're going to give it a go. So here we go. We're going to take our one photon and we're going to shine it at the light. And what is happening? So there is something coming off the metal foil. What might that be? If I'm shining one photon, what's going on? What is that little thing going off? Well, if you remember from electricity, metal, what do metals have a lot of on the outside shell of their atomic structure? Electrons, right? Metals have a lot of free and electrons that are free to move around, which is why we use them for metals and conductors and whatnot. So when a blue photon of light hits the metal, it forces an electron to be ejected out of the metal. And that's what Einstein was seeing with blue light. So we're going to try it again. So as blue light strikes the metal foil, the foil emits an electron. Huh, who knew? That's interesting. Now let's try it with red light. So do you think red light is also going to emit an electron? Or maybe not? Well, let's find out. So here we go. What? Nothing's happening. What? Why? When red light hits the metal foil, the foil does not emit electrons. So why is that happening? Like, why is blue light causing electrons to eject, but red light is not? So blue light has more energy than red light. How could we get more energy into the red light? So now we're going to modify the experiment just a little bit, just like Einstein would have if he were doing this. And I want you to think of 3 things that we could change to get maybe more energy into that red photon. Okay, so think of 3 possible things we could do to modify the experiment to see if the results change or what's going to happen. All right, so go ahead and give that a try. Write those thoughts down in the Google Doc.